Hi friends, I'm going to go over some week 7 stuff with you that we are going to do at home or in class, just so you have some directions that make sense for you. So first thing on Monday, some of you are doing this in class, but some of you are doing it at home. You are doing a meme activity, so you're going to create a meme that represents the relationship between the United States and Canada. So we've been learning about how frequently we trade with one another and how the different times in life where we've had each other's backs and whatnot. So you're going to create a meme and a description for that, and the assignment is right in Schoology. If you want to do it on paper, or excuse me, you will do it on paper, you'll write it, unless you are a distance learner, an only distance learner. If you still come to school sometimes, I'm going to have you do it on paper, and then you'll just take a picture of it on paper, and then you can upload it right into your assignment in this space, and then you'll write a description there, okay? So this will be in Schoology for you if you're at home. If you are in class, I will have it printed out for you, okay? Next thing in week 7 that may be done at home is the types of communities and intro to urban sprawl. So some of you are doing this in class, but some of you will do this at home. So you just kind of go step by step through the folder. First, you're going to watch this. Second, you're going to read it. And third, you are going to complete a discussion post related to urban sprawl. So we're going to start learning about why communities are the way they are and the different types of communities that exist. Then the Pear Deck lesson you will do in class with me, so you don't actually need to do that, because depending on which group you're in, you'll do that with me. Unless you're a distance learner, then you'll complete the Pear Deck lesson and the notes right in Schoology here for you, okay? The next thing done at home is going to be creating a plan. So we're going to look at different types of cities, and you're going to create a plan for a specific fictional city. So you're going to make your own city, basically. So when you go into this folder, you will see it says complete first. You're going to kind of review, so the different aspects of urban sprawl and whatnot, to make sure that you're kind of on the right track. So you're going to review in that discussion post, and then you're going to create a plan, a rough draft, okay? And you're going to go through the directions, and it kind of explains the project that we're going to start creating, and you're just going to create a rough draft, okay? So you don't have to hand in your rough draft. But this week, we're just looking at a rough copy of what your city might look like, okay? So you're going to start your plan, and then you're going to work on your rough draft on Friday. So I give you the city directions specifically, okay? And then I give you this to print out, but I will have this in class for you. This is just the different pieces to put on your map. And then you can either just draw in these things. So for example, like houses and the golf course and the police department, things like this. You can either print these off and cut them out and put this on your map. You have to include all of these things in your city. Or if you'd rather just write them in, like draw your own houses and whatnot, you can do that too. Some people find that to be easier. And then here are a bunch of different examples that I took pictures of that I've gotten in the years past that have been really awesome that you could look at just to kind of give you an idea. So that's what our week looks like. If you are learning from home and you get stuck or have questions, please send me an email so I can help you.